Hi everyone, welcome to the final demonstration for the ProgressAD, aka TrackMe Dixon system. TrackMe Dixon is an all-in-one fitness tracker for Oregon State University's Dixon Recreation Center. My name is Nyuma, and today I'll be giving us a high-level overview of how to get started with getting this installed locally on your machine. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to our GitHub repository. This link will be posted inside of our CP10, so be sure to find that and head over to the repository. Once you've navigated to the repository, click this green button and copy this link posted. Once you've copied that link, head over to your favorite terminal of choice, and we're going to use that link that we copied to clone the repository locally. Now that we've cloned the repository locally, we can now head into the directory where the files are located. Now that we're here, the first thing we'll have to do is install the dependencies. The way we can do that is by running npm I. This may take a while, so I'm going to pause while this occurs. Now that we have the dependencies in the backend, the entry point of the application, we have to do the same thing in the front end. So let's head to the front end. Now that we're in the front end, we could run the same command again. And this may take a while as well, so I'm going to pause while this occurs. Now that we have the dependencies in the front end, we have one last thing to do, and that is to head back into the backend and load the environmental variables. Where we can do this is by creating an environmental variable file called touch.env, and let's vim into that folder so that we can copy and paste these variables. So this is going to be located in our CP10 documentation, but I'm going to copy and paste these from that into the vim file. Now that we've done that, we've installed the dependencies, we're now ready to run the application. The way we can do that is by running our first script. The first script we're going to run is npm run dev. What this does is concurrently run the backend and the front end. This may also take a while, so I'm going to once again pause for this to install. Now that the development server has started, let's head over into the Chrome browser and see the application running. And with that, that's the application. Now that we have the application running, we have successfully installed ProgressAD locally.
To begin using ProgressAD, we're going to need an account. To register, we'll click the sign up text. Once we're at the registration page, we'll input a unique username and a 4-digit PIN. Then we'll select our blood type, and if we don't know our blood type, we can check the I don't know box. We'll put our height in inches and our weight in pounds. Once we are done, we'll click the register button. Once we're back at the login page, we'll input our username and our PIN that we used to register with. Once we successfully log in, we'll be brought to the home page where we have access to ProgressAD's features.
Once you log into your ProgressAD account, you can either start your workout or you can go into the upper right corner and click Profile. Here you can change your first name, your last name, and your age. You can also change your height and or weight, and that will also change your body mass index as calculated below. To save these changes, just click Save and they will be saved into the database.
Okay, so we go here to Home, and you can see there's a Start Workout button. I'm going to select Cardio, and this is going to be a high-intensity workout. So you see the workout is created, and we're going to add an exercise. In this case, it's going to be a no-machine exercise because we haven't added any machines yet. It's going to be 10 push-ups. Just a bit. And of course, we can add a machine. In this case, we're going to do the treadmill. Okay, so you see that this treadmill card popped up along with this toggle of whether or not we're using the treadmill.
Once we head over to machines, we see that the treadmill is currently unavailable because we've indicated that we're using it while all the other machines are available. So we can head out or head back to the workouts by clicking our profile icon. And we can add another exercise and add something to the treadmill. And we have context-based time and distance. And then they'll get added here to the workout card. Now we can show we're done using the treadmill and add another machine. Go ahead and add the deadlift. And we see that card pop up We add an exercise, and now the deadlift appears in the modal. We can add sets, reps, and how much weight was on the deadlift.
Then we can go to the machines page, and you can see the treadmill is no longer being used, but the deadlift is being used, as is indicated in our workout page. And if we go back, we can turn off the deadlift toggle and end the workout. And here we enter in our effort level, as well as how tired we are, which of course can be tracked, which we'll see in a moment.
After we finish our workout, a card will pop up that shows the workout we just completed.
Because our workout has ended, you can now see that all machines are available for use. If you click on Reports, you can see all past workout data visualized in 6 graphs: effort and tiredness, machines used, weight over time, days worked out this month, workout duration, and cardio distances. After logging out, you will be redirected to the homepage.